Good morning. This is Miss Miller, and I want to speak to you just a little bit about the FMIS Eagle Ambassador Program. This is a program for our 5th and 6th grade students to be ambassadors for our school. It is an honor to be chosen, and I think some of you will make great ambassadors. Here are some things that can tell you a little bit about the program. First of all, we will choose 2 students, one male and one female, from each homeroom. Every student will be trained for every duty you're going to be asked to do, so don't worry about knowing what's coming. We'll make sure you're ready. Ambassadors will be the students who give tours to our new students as they enroll throughout the year. You will be a buddy to this student, help them to find their way around campus, and answer any questions that they need so they don't feel quite so alone when they first start on our campus. Ambassadors will also help new students get used to the various things at FMIS that maybe they don't already know, like clubs and where the lunch line is, and you can give them the scoop about everything that goes on here at school. Ambassadors will help maintain FMIS as a safe place to learn and play because they're leaders in the classroom, on the playing field, in the cafeteria, at recess, wherever they are. We expect our leaders to take a forward approach in making sure that everyone is included and that everyone feels safe. We have special training for some things that you can do, so you will know exactly how to do these things if it's your responsibility. Ambassadors will also help during some special events at FMIS. Last year during the Great Kindness Challenge Week, they did some special projects to make sure everybody felt great. And during Inclusion Week, we worked on some specific things that can help bring everybody in and make them feel like a part of the group. Ambassadors will build leadership and communication skills. You'll receive special training and some things to do. That way that maybe you can step in and help when a teacher happens not to be around. Being an ambassador does not mean that you're in charge by any means, but it does mean that you step up and lead to set the good example for everyone else. Ambassadors will exhibit all 6 of the character pillars: respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, trustworthiness, and citizenship. It is a privilege to be an ambassador, so students will need to continually live up to the standards agreed upon during the training. And the last thing is, you can be an ambassador. There are some requirements, but most of you do a great job and can meet those requirements easily. Here's the way you become an ambassador. The first step is to get an application from your homeroom teacher or from myself. Second, you're going to complete page 1 of the application and give that to me by Wednesday, September the 9th. I will then take that. I will contact some of your previous teachers and see if they think you would make a good ambassador and how they might recommend you. And then on September the 14th, you can listen carefully on the announcements to see if you have been chosen. Those who are chosen will be called to a meeting to receive information about what you are going to be doing, and also to receive a signature sheet for your parent to sign so you can participate. Return that paperwork to Ms. Miller within 2 days of receiving it, because if you are not going to be an ambassador, we want to choose someone else. And then we will begin our first training session on September 15th and 16th for 5th grade students during their WIN, and 17th and 18th for 6th grade students during their WIN. Being an ambassador is a very important job here, and we look to you for your leadership skills in including everyone and making friends and just making sure that we're being the best we can possibly be. Eagle ambassadors become leaders, and they become very much leaders in the area of leading us to be strong. I appreciate this, and if you have any more questions, feel free to come by my office and ask. I'll be happy to answer them, and your teacher should have some applications that they can give you, and you can get those filled out and returned to me. Thanks so much, and have a great day.